Ramping up the central nervous system, CNS, before workout promotes a fight or flight response in the brain and body, thus increasing motivation, focus, and training intensity. However, supplement formulas incorporating caffeine must be careful not to overstimulate the brain, which has an opposite effect as neurotransmitters deplete and the stimulants wear off. The research tells us that optimal pre-workout CNS stimulation is best achieved by taking in moderate levels of caffeine, 200 to 300 milligram per serving, combined with L-tyrosine to support neurotransmitter production and negate mental burnout. Although caffeine is not as sexy as other stimulants, it is safest and is the only one shown in numerous studies to increase energy, focus, strength, and reduce fatigue and muscle soreness in people who weight train.